guys, what's up? It's Kristen. I am back. Just wanted to give a little backstory. So, with everything going on, I haven't been doing Stitchfix or anything else for a while, just to save money. But I'm back. I have a Stitchfix here for you guys. I just wanted to let you know too. With everything going on, I kind of went to a different way, started to sell Young Living, and let you guys know my name is Kristen_Wellness on my new Instagram if you want to follow me over there. If you're interested in Young Living products and having a non-toxic lifestyle going forward, please message me below. My information for Young Living is down below if anybody would like to join. I am definitely here to answer any questions that you have. I suffer from a lot of headaches, and ever since I've been using the Young Living diffusers and the non-toxic products, the cleaners and everything like that, it's been just so much better. My headaches have dissipated and basically almost gone away. So yeah, I mean, if you're interested, please let me know. Again, my name is Kristen_Wellness. I'll put my Instagram name here so you guys can go over there and follow me as well. And I'll also do some videos on here talking about it. If you're interested, let me know. If not, I could maybe make a separate channel for that. But yeah, just let me know in the comments below. I'm glad to be back. I missed everyone. I'm super excited for the Stitchfix box. If there's any other boxes you guys want to see me unbox, please let me know down in the comments. I'll definitely order them and share them with you guys. So if you like these kind of videos and you're super excited, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm here. I'm going to open the box. So here we go. Let's look inside. It's a $20 styling fee. I do have the Style Pass, which is $49 a year. You get in the box, you get your return bag. So anything you don't want, they send you a pre-labeled bag and you can send it back to Stitch Fix. Next, you have an envelope here. Inside the envelope, you have your price sheet. So I'm going to open that up. And I'll also show every product that I got a picture of it. So if you want it, I'll name it, and you like your stylist to send it over to you, they can send it and just give them that name. So it looks like I have two bundles here. Oh, there's another piece of paper in here. Explore your very own shop. So you could shop items that you bought in the past or other items, and they just sent a card here. So here is the items that I received, as well as my this note from my stylist, and then and then here are the items. All right, so let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so I am going to read you guys my style card. My stylist is Krista. It says, "Hi Kristen, I'm sorry to see that we kept missing the mark with your fixes. This was a while ago. To help better understand your style, let's try something different. Do you have a style icon or influencer that you wish you could raid their closet? Let me know. I continue to keep it casual in today's box." That's what I asked for. I work from home, so I would love to have stuff that I could just, wear on Zoom calls and have casual items. Let me know. I continue to keep it casual box and made sure that the prices were closer to your liking, under $50. I asked that for too as well. For an athleisure look, the black on black leggings are trend and easy to give this wardrobe a must-have little edge. Style the super soft knit top and toss over a pair of sneakers when you're having a fun day out with a family. When you're feeling like dressing up a bit, wear your favorite distressed jeans with the versatile olive sweater. For added style, cozy up with the off-white vest, keep warm. Have so much fun with this fix. Your stylist, Krista. Okay. All right. So we're going to get into the box. Okay, so here is the first bundle. It has a cute little sticker on it. It says, "Enjoy your fix, then explore your curated shop. Visit stitchfix.com." So it has like a little URL code here. So they have the different kind of paper now. So let's see what this is. I love Sherpa stuff, so super exciting. So this top here is from Madison and Mallory. I love their stuff. If you like their shop, it's madisonandmallory.com. And they also have a Facebook group, so you can go over there and check that out as well. Alrighty, so what is this here? I think this is the vest she was talking about. So here is a vest, and it's like kind of like a Sherpa material. It like goes over and kind of just, you can wear this with like this shirt that I have on, or like a black shirt or a white shirt. And this is Coffee Shop New York. So I think you'll be able to see it a little bit better once I put it on. It's kind of a little bit bulky. Coffee Shop Ruth Sterling vest, off-white, size extra small. So this is really soft, and I really want to try this on. It's so nice. Okay, so here is the next bundle. Let's get into it. And it has the same sticker here on the front. Okay, so this was a top that I saw last year, and I wanted it so bad. I'm not sure if I got it in a fix and sent it back, but I think this is very cozy and super pretty. I love camo, and I also love animal print, and it has that kind of like cow neck neck and 3 different color tops. So it's gray, and then you got a animal print and leopard print, and then it's like a black and white, but this is like super soft. Let's see what this is. Very, very nice. This is Market and Spruce Poplar Cow Neck Brush Knit Top, dark gray, size extra small. Look at that. I absolutely love that. Love it. Okay. Next, these are all super soft tops. So a next one is, this is really nice. I love these colors. So gray, white, and kind of like a burgundy or a rose, like a rose pink. Very nice color blocking again. This is, again, very soft. So this is a Stitch Fix exclusive. No hood on it. This is 9 Britain. Dahlia color block brush knit top in burgundy, size extra small. Very nice. And these are, they don't look like extra smalls. They look a little bit bigger, but wow, they're really, really soft. And another sweater. I think I have this in like a tan color. I'm not sure, but I love this green. Very nice. It's a little see-through, so I'll wear a top underneath it. I have a top under this shirt, but it's like a scoop on the bottom. Very pretty. This is by Pink. Alexa textured crew neck pullover in olive. Very nice. Love this too. This is a great box so far. And then next we have is a pair of leggings that she spoke about. They are like a camo, and if you could see, it's like a dark gray and black camo. And they're super stretchy, and they are by TNT Monica Camo Legging in black. Very nice. No, like, there's no like mesh or anything like that. So this is super pretty. I love camo. So I'm going to try everything on. I'm very excited about this, and just keep on watching if you want to see the try on. I'm so excited. Okay, so first we have is this olive green top. It is very cute. Very pretty, super soft. As you can tell, I have a white shirt under it, so you can wear like a black shirt underneath, so you can kind of see through my shirt and see my shirt underneath. But it is really pretty. I do like it a lot. It fits really nice. See how it scoops on the sides and then comes down in the back to cover your butt. So yeah, it's really nice. What do you guys think? Here's the material. You could see it. But the color, I actually love this color for fall. It's really, really, really pretty. I love olive green. So let me know what you guys think of this top. I actually love it. Okay, next we have is the camo leggings. I don't know if you could see, but there is like if you pull them like tight, there's like a white underneath, like a white lining. So if you like bend over, you're not gonna be able to see through it. They're okay. I'm not like super thrilled with them. They look nice, but I don't know how much I like the white underneath. I would prefer like black maybe, because like when I bend my knee, you could see this white. And if it's like tight at the top, you could see like the white right here. And but they're super comfortable. They lay perfectly. I have these in black and they fit me perfect. Like I'm 5'4" and they do fit just at the ankle. So if that's the type of, legging you're looking for that fits you right at the ankle, you're like my size, 5'4", these will definitely be for you. So they're very cute. You can see the camo, very pretty, but I'm not really sold on them. Okay, guys, next here is the vest. It's not really my style. It has pockets, but I just don't like this extra material. It's just, if lays weird, and then this lays weird. So, I mean, it's comfortable, it's pretty, it's soft, but I mean, I don't know. There's the pockets. Just this extra material here, I just don't really care for. It just hangs. And it just doesn't look very nice on me. It might look nice on one of you guys, but it's just not for me. So I'll do a whole turn for you guys. But unfortunately, this one is gonna have to go back. Okay, next we have this top. It's pretty. I like it. I like the color blocking. I like how it sits on me. It's very, 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 very soft. Yeah, maybe cute with a pair of jeans just to go out for the day, run some errands, just a super casual look at home. It is very, very nice. I do like it. I'll get a little closer so you guys can see the material. You could see that it's very soft and buttery. I do like this color right here and the color blocking. It is nice. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think of this one as well. Okay, so last but not least is this top. I think it's really pretty. It scoops down here. It fits really nice. It comes up on the sides and it scoops down at the bottom. You have your gray, your leopard, and then your like darker gray here. And it's so cozy. It's so nice. Today is like a chilly, rainy day, and this is like one of the perfect tops for it. So I do like this a lot. And it has your drawstrings, and here's the cow neck. You can, move it any way you want. And it's really pretty. So I'm gonna come back and talk about prices and let you guys know what I'm gonna keep, and just stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back. Let's get your price sheet and look at all the items. So I'm gonna go first over the items that I'm not gonna keep. Let's just bring them forward here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the first item we have here is this top. It is buttery soft. If you like these kind of tops, if these are your colors, you will absolutely love this. I personally would probably need this in a little bit bigger size. I like stuff a little bit oversized, and this is a little tight. This is 9 Britain Dela brush knit top in burgundy. This is $44. So that's a really good price for that. So it's not bad, but I will be sending it back. I mean, I could probably find that somewhere else, but I just don't need that right now. Next is the coffee shop vest, and this was $48. I'm going to be sending this back. I didn't like how it sat like right here. It just didn't work for me, but it's not a bad price. Next is the Camo Leggings. I do like T for T. They're excellent. This is the Monica Camo Leggings in black, it says, extra small. $38, not bad, but unfortunately I don't need them. I just wear black leggings. So yeah, so these are the two items that I'm kind of torn between. I don't know which one. I love the Market and Spruce Poplar cow neck brush knit top. I'm gonna have to go back and look at the footage and see what these look like on me. I just looked in the mirror real quick. This is it says Market and Spruce, but on here it says something else. So I'm not sure, the name is wrong on here. It says Pink Clover Poplar Cow Neck Brushed, extra small, $42, but this is market in spruce. So yeah, I'm not sure how this is going to be. I don't know if it was named wrong. $42. So Poplar Cow Neck. Yeah, they just got the name wrong. So they said it was Pink Clover, but it's market in spruce. This one is $42. Not bad. But we shall see. And this is the top that I loved. This olive color pink Alexia texture crew neck pullover. This is also $42. So those are the two that I'm torn against. So the total for the box is $214. If I buy all, which I'm not, is $53.50 off. Total of $160. It's not bad. So thank you guys for watching. I'm so happy to be back. If you like Stitch Fix and you want to get your first box, I have a link below. You'll get a $25 credit towards your first box. And also, if you're interested in any type of Young Living products, I'm going to be doing some videos on there. Let me know your opinion if I should do it on this channel or another channel. I have my member information down there, my member number. If you click on Essential Rewards, you can join my team. I'm super excited to get into the oils. Like I said, they have been helping me with my headaches and sleeping and immune support. Everybody's going to need immune support throughout this cold and flu season. So if you have any questions, just let me know. All the information is below, and I'll put in the comments what I decided to keep. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.